Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to tag people in post or photo on Facebook. So for this, let's go to Facebook app. Now, if you want to tag someone on post, so for this, click on comment section and here enter @ and then type the profile of the person whom you want to tag and then click on their name. So here you can add any comment. So I will just add have a look on this post. So let me type it first and then send this comment, and in this way they will be tagged in the post. Now if you want to tag someone in your post, for that you need to go back and click on this gallery icon on the top right corner and choose the image that you want to post here. So let me choose the image first. Okay, so I will go with this one. Once we choose the image, then we have the second icon of tagging with blue color. Click on it and there you will find all your friends. So simply select them whom you want to tag in. You can add multiple people too. So I will go with the one only. So I tagged her here and then click on post. So it will take few seconds here and then it will saying that this one is with this. In this way you can tag people in Facebook. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.